Welcome to Daily IQ. Today 15th May 2024. In this video, we will teach you top 12 current affairs MCQ with explanation. For daily current affairs video, please subscribe my channel and bell the notification icon.
Question number 1. As per GTRI report, who was emerged as the largest trading partner of India in financial year 2024?
Answer is China. As per the data published by think tank Global Trade Research Initiative, GTRI, China emerged as the largest trading partner of India with $118.4 billion to weigh commerce in financial year 2024. While United States of America, USA, with $118.3 billion was the second largest trading partner of India in 2023-24. The United Arab Emirates, UAE, with $83.6 billion was the third largest trading partner of India in FY24, then followed by Russia, $65.7 billion, Saudi Arabia, $43.4 billion, and Singapore, $35.6 billion.
Question number 2. Which is the first international port which will be operated by India?
Answer is Chabhar Port. India and Iran have signed an agreement on 13th May 2024 under which India will operate the strategically important Shahid Beheshti terminal of Chabhar Port of Iran for the next 10 years. Till now, India operated the Shahid Beheshti port of Chabhar on a short-term contract which was renewed periodically. This is the first international terminal which will be operated by India.
Question number 3. Who has won the 30th Sultan Azlan Shah Hockey Trophy 2024?
Answer is Japan. Japan won its maiden Sultan Azlan Shah Hockey Trophy by defeating Pakistan 4-1 in the penalty shootout in the final. The final was played at the Azlan Shah Stadium in Ipoh, Malaysia, on 11th May 2024. Sultan Azlan Shah is considered a prestigious hockey tournament in Asia that has attracted the world's top men's national hockey teams. India has won the Sultan Azlan Shah Trophy 5 times in 1985, 1991, 1995, 2009, 2010.
Question number 4. Who has become India's 85th chess grandmaster?
Answer is P. Shamnikhil. Tamil Nadu's P. Shamnikhil became India's 85th chess grandmaster, GM. The 31-year-old chess prodigy, who started his career at the age of 8, finally secured his third and final GM norms at the 2024 Dubai Police Masters Chess Tournament. R. Vaishali was the 84th Indian Grandmaster, GM. Vishwanathan Anand was the first Indian to become the Grandmaster in 1988.
Question number 5. Who has successfully tested AMP-S4 engine, a 3D printed rocket engine?
Answer is ISRO. The Indian Space Research Organisation, ISRO, successfully tested a liquid rocket engine, AMP-S4 engine, produced using additive manufacturing, AM, technology, commonly known as 3D printing at ISRO Propulsion Complex, Tamil Nadu. The engine underwent host testing for 665 seconds and demonstrating expected performance parameters.
Question number 6. Who has announced to build the first lunar railway system?
Answer is NASA. The National Aeronautics and Space Administration, NASA, has unveiled its ambitious plan to construct the first lunar railway system, known as FLOAT, Flexible Levitation on a Track, designed to revolutionize payload transport on the Moon. This innovative system aims to provide reliable, autonomous, and efficient transportation essential for the daily operations of a sustainable lunar base, aligning with NASA's Moon to Mars initiative and mission concepts like the Robotic Lunar Surface Operations 2, RLSO-2.
Question number 7. Who has been honored with the PSU Samarpan Award by GovConnect?
Answer is Hemant Khatri. In a prestigious ceremony held in New Delhi, CMD Hemant Khatri, the chairman and managing director, C&MD, of Hindustan Shipyard Limited, HSL, was bestowed with the esteemed PSU Samarpan Award by GovConnect. The award recognizes Khatri's outstanding leadership and his pivotal role in driving the transformation of the shipyard, inspiring countless individuals within the industry.
Question number 8. Who will receive the honorary degrees from Canada's prestigious McGill University?
Answer is Soumya Swaminathan. Dr. Soumya Swaminathan, most recently WHO's chief scientist, has been named among the 10 exceptional individuals who will receive honorary degrees from Canada's prestigious McGill University as part of the Spring 2024 convocation ceremonies. In 2017, Swaminathan joined the World Health Organization, WHO, as Deputy Director General, Programs, and, in March 2019, was named its first chief scientist, a role she filled through the COVID-19 pandemic until late 2022.
Question number 9. Andre Bilausu has been appointed as the new Defense Minister of.
Answer is Russia. Russian President Vladimir Putin replaced Sergei Shoigu from the post of Defense Minister with Andre Bilausu. It is noteworthy that 65-year-old Andre Bilausu has been a former Deputy Prime Minister. He has served as assistant to President Vladimir Putin on economic issues. He has been the charge of the Defense Ministry since 2012 without any military experience.
Question number 10. Who has become the first Indian male wrestler to qualify for 2024 Paris Olympics?
Answer is Aman Sehrawat. Aman Sehrawat has become the first Indian male wrestler to secure a quota place for the 2024 Paris Olympics. Asian champion Sehrawat secured a Paris quota in the men's 57 kg freestyle category at the World Wrestling Olympic qualifiers in Istanbul, Turkey.
Question number 11. International Day of Plant Health is observed every year on.
Answer is 12th May. The International Day of Plant Health, IDPH, is observed annually on 12th May to raise awareness about the critical importance of protecting plant health. This global initiative aims to prevent hunger, reduce poverty, safeguard biodiversity, and promote economic development worldwide. The theme for the International Day of Plant Health 2024 is Plant Health, Safe Trade, Digital Technology.
Question number 12. International Day of Families is observed every year on.
Answer is 15th May. International Day of Families is observed every year on 15th May across the globe. This day provides an opportunity to raise awareness about the issues related to the families. The theme for International Day of Families 2024 is Families and Climate Change. In 1993, the General Assembly had decided that 15th May will be celebrated annually as the International Day of Families. Thanks for watching full video. You can join in our membership plan for daily, weekly and monthly current affairs PDFs. Please contact me on WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is 9700200378.